Hello, welcome to my session. And in the previous class, in the previous session, we have seen the importance of CSS and how we are going to declare the style tag in head section and what is the syntax. And we have seen two different types of attributes which are going to be used in CSS. So altogether we are having 6 different types. So in the previous session I have explained you about the font attributes and the color and background attributes. So in this session I would like to explain few more different types of attributes. So let me share the screen. So coming to the third different type of attribute is text attribute. So it is an attribute which have altogether 4 different types of attributes, and these 4 different types of attributes are assigned with the different values. So this text decoration, vertical align, text transform, text transform, text indent. So these are the 4 different types of attributes used under text attributes. So if I need to decorate with underline or a blink or a overline on a particular text, so I can opt the attribute that is text decoration, vertical align, text transform. So to display in capital, lower, upper, whatever it is, text indentation. So it's like paragraph. Some indentations will be applied for the text. So if I need to apply particular type of attributes, particular type of actions in a web page, so then I can opt for the text attributes. So some of the unit measures are listed here. So usually in a programming, in the previous example, font size is equals to 12 pt. pt stands for point. So the same way there are the different types of units which are assigned here: em, pc, pt, px, mm, cm, in, etc. So em is nothing but height. Em is nothing but it defines a height of a particular font. And pc is nothing but pika. So one pika is nothing but 12 points. pt is point, that is nothing but 1 by 72 of an inch. Px is nothing but a pixel, nothing but one dot on the screen. And mm is millimeter per unit, cm is centimeter per unit, and in is inch per unit. So these are the different types of what we can say units that we are going to use in this CSS programming. So let us go for the example for the text attribute. So as I have mentioned earlier, the style tag is declaring moreover in the head part. So here in the style tag, I'm using 3 different types of tags: H1, P, and H2. 3 different types of tags. So these 3 different types of tags are having different types of attributes within them. So now as if we are going to learn about the text attributes, if we see in P, paragraph P tag, so font size, PT is a unit measurement here. PT is nothing but a point. Font style, font weight, these 3 comes under font attributes. Whereas color comes under color and background attribute, and text, as if we are discussing about the text attribute. So text indent is one of the attributes which I am using in the P tag. So coming to the next tag, that is H2. So here font size 16 points, color orange, and here I am using 2 different types of text attributes: text align and text indent. So if you see here, in is nothing but an unit measurement, it is nothing but inch. So altogether in the style tag, I am defining 3 different types of tags. So whenever I use h1p, h2 in body, the attributes will be assigned for the particular text from the opening tag to closing tag of h1, p and h2. So let us see the body part. So whatever the attribute I am applying here for the h1 and whatever the attributes I am assigning for p and whatever the attributes I am assigning for h2 will be applied. So this is what we are defining in body. So the properties are assigned in head under the style tag. So let us see the output. So this is the output. So the color, the foreground color of the text is red. Here the foreground color of the text is blue. And here for this I have used bold tag, simply displayed as B bold. And here the text is displayed in orange color. And here the size is 12 points and here the size is 16 points. So this is how we can mention the different types of foreground color of text, text decoration, text, everything inches in this particular example. Going for the next attribute, that is border attribute. This is the fourth attribute under the CSS. So altogether we are having different types of border attributes. So here border style, border color, border width, border top width, border bottom width, border left width, border right width, border top, border bottom, border right, border left and border. These are the different types of attributes which we are going to declare under the border attribute. So coming to the program. So in this, the p tag, here in the p tag, we are defining the border attributes here. Border style is equals to groove. Border width is thick. Border color is green. So in H1, I am not defining any border attribute, just define only the font attributes. So this H1 tag and P tag are defined under the properties or the attributes are defined under the style tag. So let us go to the body part. So this is what we are seeing from first program of the CSS. So the attributes under H1, the attributes under P will be assigned. And let us see the output. This is the output. The output is regarding the border attributes. So if you go for P tag, in P tag, we have used two different types of border attributes. The style is groove and width is thick and the color is green. I think the three properties have been applied. So the style half dark blue, half light blue, that is groove. The width of the border is thick and color is green. So I think it was correct. So this is all about border attribute. So if you want to try with different attributes, you can assign in P tag or H1 tag. Coming to the next different type of attribute, CSS attribute is margin related attributes. We are having four different types of attributes: margin top, margin bottom, margin left, and margin right. This margin attributes are used to draw the margin on my web page. Let us see how this is going to appear. If I see the output, towards the left part as well as toward the right part of my web page, margins has been kept. Only the middle part is displaying the text. So let us see for P tag. So this is the style tag which I am declaring head section. Now coming to P tag, the border attributes are, the margin attributes are margin left and margin right. So on the web page of a particular web page, the left side margin should be cut off with 15%, and the right side margin should be cut off with 15%. So the font size is 12 points, font weight is bold, color is red. So on the both sides towards left and right, the margin should be cut off with 15%. So here, as if I'm mentioning the content or the matter displayed under the P at H1, the output will be displayed like this. So towards the left side of my web page and towards the right side of my web page, the border has been cut off with 15%. If it is 10, it will be small spaced. If it is 20, it is more than 15. Automatically, the font color of that particular P tag is red. So this is how we are going to display the margin related attributes. So I think you can add another two more attributes in the program and you can execute. Thanks for watching. Thank you.